Okay, so now we need to turn the power of the car back on. Just make sure the driver door is shut. Okay, come over here. Let's open the hood up. Okay. Let's turn the power back on. Make sure you have your keys ready to go when you do this, okay? Okay, turn that back on. Shut the hood. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we need to lock and unlock the doors because this alarm is going to go off. So just hit this a couple times. Okay, make sure the doors lock. Okay. Looking good. Unlock. There we go. Okay, everything's working. So let's go get the card. Let me go get the books and we'll pull out the key card. All right, so we're in the car now and we have our code card. I keep calling it key card. I don't know why I do that. So anyway, we have that, but the first thing we want to do is I want to check this door, okay? All right, first, when we roll this window up, you want to make sure that this piece right here does not catch. Remember I told you that little piece of rubber that you have to stick down in that groove down there, if you can see that. So we're going to roll this up and then make sure that it doesn't catch, because this will bend this all up, and it can actually rip this all up too, okay? Which it doesn't look like it's going to hit. So let's go ahead and put the key in. Okay. Here, turn this on. Okay. And let's go ahead and roll it up. Here's the window switch right there. Okay. And I'm going to watch this. Okay, looks good. So the window works good. No issues there. Okay. All right, looks good. All right, that works good. And then now we need to program the radio, okay? If you can see that. All right, so let's get this card here. Let's see what this number, see if I can remember how to do this. 31241. So I'm going to go here, I think just like this. Oh, I'm sorry. That's not how it is. So let's back it back up here. Okay. So the first number is 3, so go there, 3. Enter. Okay, there we go. Let's see the next number. 1241. 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay, there it is. So now we can use the radio again. All right, let's see what we got here. So we'll push OK. So, okay, let me see if this thing plays. Okay, let's set a radio station here real quick. Let me see what we got. All right, looks like we got a little country here. Okay. So this is. All right, let's see if this speaker is playing here real quick. I'm not gonna show you how to set this stereo up because I'll be here all day doing that. Okay. So the treble and the bass is going to be off. You have to adjust that. Maybe we'll do another video just on this radio. Okay, how to set it up. But for now, we're just going to make sure the speaker's playing. So let's turn this up. Okay. And looks like it's working pretty good.
Listen to 97.9 everywhere.
Just say, hey Siri, open iHeartRadio.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Let me see here. And that's working good too. So everything looks like it's, let me crank it up a little bit. I'm 100% that. Even when I'm crying crazy, I got boy problems. That's the human in me. All right. Yeah. Okay. Looks like it's working good. I don't hear any rattles in the door. Okay. So everything looks good. All right. So yeah, I can sit here all day trying to set up this radio. It's got a lot of stuff on it. Okay. So go ahead and shut that off. Everything looks good. So I guess everything turned out great. Door speaker. Actually, you know what? We didn't even check this one here. Let me go ahead and turn this back on again. Make sure this is. Yeah, it's Alright, let me turn this off now. Okay, so everything sounds great. Just need to go in there and make all the adjustments to the radio to the owner's preference, okay? So yeah, when we get a little time, maybe we'll go ahead and make another video on that. So, all right, that's it. This was a pretty long series. So basically just go through and show you how to change the door speaker in this Ferrari 430. Hope this help you out if you're trying to do this kind of project. Basically everything that we've done here, like I said, I'm not a professional, but setting this stereo up, basically I didn't want to do anything that was that you can't reverse back to original. Okay, that's why the door grills, I know we did modify those, but from what I can see is when you buy a new speaker, that actually comes on the speaker. So so if you had to replace it, it looks like to me like the grill would actually come with the speaker. So we was just going to throw that part of it away anyway, so why not just modify it and we can use it for an aftermarket speaker. But as far as the inside the door here where we put that crossover in there, we just glued it in there. I didn't want to drill into anything or modify anything. I know you can't see it inside the door, but still I didn't want to be drilling holes everywhere in there and trying to mount stuff. Okay, and so yeah, I think the crossover should be okay. If there's any issues with it, we can change it. But like I said, you know, it's just the way I did it, and I'm sure that if you do something like this, you can do it a lot better than I can. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess we'll see you in the next one. Okay, so hope you have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.